If your door won't close fully because it's all crooked and misaligned, you gotta fix those hinges and the strike plate first. So first thing, check if the hinges are loose by wiggling the door a bit. If they are, grab a screwdriver and tighten those screws. Sometimes they just need a little love. Next, look at the strike plate on the door frame where the latch goes in. If it's out of place, your door won't shut right. You can unscrew it and move it up or down just a bit to line up better with the latch. If the latch hits the strike plate but still won't catch, try filing down the edges of the plate so the latch can slide in smoother. Sometimes hinges get rusty or bent, so swapping them out with new ones can help the door hang straight again. Also, check if the door itself is swollen from moisture. If so, sanding down the edges lightly might be necessary. Don't forget to oil the hinges with some WD-40 or similar stuff to keep things moving smoothly. Taking these steps can save you from having to call a pro or even replacing the whole door. One of the biggest issues with doors not closing right is ignoring loose hinges. People often just push harder, which messes up the frame more. Tightening screws or replacing old hinges fixes this quick. Another common problem is a misaligned strike plate. If you don't adjust it, your latch just won't catch, making your door stay open. Lastly, people forget to check for swelling or warping in wooden doors, especially after rain or humidity spikes, and sanding down edges can fix that without costing you a fortune. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners find local pros who actually know what they're doing, so you're not stuck guessing. Contractors get connected with real jobs too, making it easier for everyone to get things done right without stressing.